What's up guys, trains here we are at Bramley Station Level Crossing in Hampshire.
Barry's about to go down. Barry is down.
Okay, time is 13:08. I don't know what we're down for though.
I think it's for that. I'm not sure. I think it's for the early.
Actually, do you want to check?
to
Do
Reading.
you want to check RTT or?
I'm recording.
You need to do it in landscape, you bellend. It's like landscape. Look, landscape. You're doing it portrait.
Fine, I'll switch. Definitely.
Do you want to go for the next closure?
There we are. Now it's on that.
Okay, time is 13:09 on Saturday the 10th of December 2016.
And I think it should be the...
I think we should be down for a 13... What?
For the...
I don't know what we're down for actually.
I think it's for the Basingstoke Reading.
It could be for the Basingstoke Reading, but it's far too early for it to be going down for that.
It might be, though.
Could you actually... if you could do next closure, could you actually just quickly go off and check RTT if possible, please?
Yeah.
Because I don't know what the hell we're down for.
Must be for it. My phone wants to respond.
The iPhone's a bit notorious for being arses.
Oh wow.
Shit.
You've got to be kidding me.
Okay. Just give it... Hang on, how much charge were you on?
I don't know. I don't know.
Okay.
I'm not sure if I had low battery or something.
I can check RTT on mine in a sec.
That's retarded. My phone decides to go out. Well, you've got your power bank, but not with my charger.
Yeah. We'll go back to Basingstoke soon and see.
Yeah. We'll have to go back to Basing and use it and power my phone up over there.
Yeah. From what I can see, we should be down for the Basingstoke Reading because there wasn't anything else before that expected. It's just the thing is, we've gone down ridiculously early.
It is for the. It must be for the Basingstoke Reading.
But this is
now the train's running by.
This is quite ridiculously early though, because the crossing's already been down for 3 minutes and the train's not due to leave for another 3 minutes.
That's pretty right then. You see the barrier quite high down here.
Yeah.
Going on the platform.
You're going up the platform? Yeah, I'll come up with you.
Might be easier to see that way.
Yeah, no, the train should be coming about now, as it's due to leave at 13:14. Time's 13:12 now. So it should be coming around that corner in a sec. You tried your phone on again, or?
It's not going to come on. What's
shit.
The damn thing. Lucky I'm getting a new one for my birthday.
Fair, what one?
I think I'm getting the SE5.
Ah, fair, yeah, iPhone SE is pretty good.
Yeah, I think that's the one with the fingerprint identification.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, here we go, here it is. Be the 13:14, I think this is 2 Juliet 34, I'll update it.
I think it's for the Basingstoke Reading.
I think it's 2 Juliet 34, 2 Juliet 35.
It did say on there the Basingstoke one was at 13:14, so I think it is the Basingstoke to Reading. So it must be. It's a very small train as well. It's like and that's like a 2 carriage or something.
To be honest, I should have printed out a timetable before I came.
Clever move.
Yeah.
They don't do timetables over here, do they?
Not here, no.
Tiny train though.
Yeah, they're only running 2s today because it's Saturday.
Yeah. That's weird, why they only bring 2 carriages.
It's got 166, 137.
Yeah, it's stopping anyway.
And then 165, 137, sorry, not 166, 165.
And it's stopping anyway.
Yeah, stopping. It's the commuter to Reading.
I knew it'd be gone for Reading.
Well, this video is about 5 minutes now.
Bloody hell.
13:23 is running too late as well.
Is it?
Yeah.
There we go. There's Steve.
166, 137. Six 137 to Reading, and
The barriers could be up any moment now.
up they go.
Yeah, barriers are up. And the lights are off. The next one should
Let's go to the next video.